welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN application in More Tunnel VPN. And if you have never set up a VPN application and it works for you, now this tutorial is right for you. I'm going to make it so clear, beginner friendly, step by step, that even if you have little tech knowledge, you're going to manage to set up this application on your own without paying a single coin to the tech guys. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem, I'm going to leave the comment section open so that I'll be guiding you through. Even after this tutorial, I'm going to stay with you. So also stay with me by subscribing. So let us open a Google Play Store, and then you're going to download this application from the official Google Play Store, More Tunnel VPN. So this is the application I'm talking about. Take a note, or make sure you know clearly the app icon and the app name. So after downloading this application, I kindly request you, dear subscriber, now to install this application. After installing, open this application as I'm doing now. This is a disclaimer. This tutorial is for informational, demonstrational, research purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Therefore, after installing this application, you will be requested to allow some few permissions, including the notification permissions. Then we request you to continue using, before continuing to use this application, allow the notification access. Now, after allowing notification access, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come and then you're going to join the Telegram channel. You're going to come and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Then the first thing to do after, you're going to come and then update the servers. Give it some few seconds to update the servers until you see this message, this one, that you have no update available. Then check OK, and then let us come right here for the next step. You're going to go where you see the auto select server, and then choose this one, the first one, auto select server, so that it will be looking for that server that works better. Then it will be selecting it for you. So the last step, you're going to come right here, you see Wi-Fi and data, and then Wi-Fi and data. Now we're going to come, if you're not living in Uganda, you're going to come from that to that. Now if you're viewing it from Uganda, you can choose those ones, but if you're not viewing it from Uganda, come from recommended to all networks. Now you can try the manual of scrolling down and then looking for your country's name and network, but that is so manual, that is so analog. Now let us try a digital way, a new way. We're going to come and then where we search from, right here. Let me point for my people, the beginner friends, or those people that let us go where you search from, and then you're going to type in your country's name. For example, you can type in, let me try to use Congo. Can try to use Congo, and then after, but if your country supports UDP, this is a tip, it is more faster. You're going to come and select this one. Then after selecting that one, you're going to come right here, and then accept the VPN service. Now this is a pro tip. What if it fails to connect? Now your phone has no problem. The problem isn't, it is not like you have not followed the tutorial, you have followed the video. Now what are you going to do? You're going to do this. You're going to try to clear the app data. You're going to try to clear the app cake. You're going to try to restart the application. You're going to also try to check for the new update. You may be using an older version that is either 0. It may be either slow or not performing well at that time. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Mostek and I sign out.